Hey there, today I'll show you how to transfer Amex points to Southwest. First, log into your American Express account. Then, after login, navigate to the membership and rewards section to your account. This is where you can manage your membership rewards point. Look for options to redeem your rewards for travel. American Express typically allows you to book flights, hotels, and other travel services through their travel portal. Use the search tool within the Amex travel portal to search for flights to your desired destination. Enter your travel details, including dates and destination. If Southwest Airlines flights are available in the search result, you can select them for booking. During the booking process, you will have the option to use your membership rewards points to pay for the flight. The numbers of points required will depend on the cost of the flight in dollars and the redemption rate for travel through American Express. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give a like.